Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne. If you would like to know how I made these glitter candles, stay tuned. Okay, to make the glitter candles you're going to need these items. That is to say, a brush, earrings, a brooch, some glue or Mod Podge, glitters, and white candles. Okay, now we're going to put the paste on the candle like so. So you're going to put a little bit of paste and then you're going to take your brush to spread it like this. Very easy. You need to put the paste everywhere so that your glitters could stick on the candle. Okay, now you're going to take your glitter and then you're just going to sprinkle it on your candle like so. Very easy. Okay guys, so now that everything is dry, we're going to take our earring and we're going to put it on the candle like this. And look at this. This is so beautiful. Simple and beautiful. And this is the end product. Our nice glitter candles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Thank you.